Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage kitchen organization ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage kitchen decor is all about incorporating nostalgic old-fashioned elements that evoke the charm of past decades, typically from the early 19th to the 1950s or even the 1970s. It blends functionality with warmth and character, using antique or retro-style furnishings, accessories, and color schemes. Key elements of vintage kitchen decor. Number 1. Color palette. Soft pastels like mint green, pale yellow, powder blue, and pink. Classic, white or warm. Muted tones often seen in farmhouse or country kitchens. Number 2. Cabinetry. Open shelving. Glass front cabinets or shakar style cabinets. Painted in soft hues or distressed finishes. Number 3. Retro appliances. Classic looking refrigerators, stoves, and mixers in pastel colors or enamel finishes. Number 4. Antique or repurposed furniture. Vintage wooden tables, hutches, or hosier cabinets with distressed paint finishes. Number 5. Classic countertops, vodka block, marble, or vintage style laminate with a retro boomerang or checkerboard patterns. Number 6. Old-fashioned flooring, black and white checkered tile, linoleum, or rustic wood planks. Number 7. Vintage accessories, mason jars, enamel art, floral tea towels, milk glass, ceramic canisters, and vintage style skills. Number 8. Retro zigzag and artwork, tin sign, chalkboard menus, or vintage advertising prints for classic brands. Number 9. Classic dishware, Jericho, Pyrex, Desperation glass, and floral pattern dishes in pastels or primary colors. Number 10. Curtains and linens, gingham, lace, or floral prints curtains, and tablecloths. Number 11. Lighting, schoolhouse pendant lights, vintage-inspired candelights, or industrial farmhouse sconces. Vintage kitchen decor is a charming way to bring warmth, nostalgia, and timeless style into your home. Whether you love the elegance of a 1920s kitchen, the cheerful colors of a 1950s dinner, or the rustic appeal of a farmhouse kitchen, vintage design is all about embracing the past while keeping things functional and beautiful. Defining vintage kitchen style. Vintage kitchen decor refers to styling that reflects past eras, usually from the early 19th to the 1970s. It incorporates antique and retro elements, classic patterns, and old-fashioned charm. This style often blends well with cottage, farmhouse, and shabby-chic aesthetics. Elements Elements of a vintage kitchen. First, color palette. Vintage kitchen often features soft, warm, or pastel colors that evoke a nostalgic feel. Popular choices: soft pastels like mint green, baby blue, battery yellow, and blast pink, especially from the 1950s. Classic white kitchens with distressed oud for a farmhouse feel. Bold primary colors like red, yellow, blue for a richer dinner look. Earthy tones such as cream, beige, shades green for an older country style aesthetic. Next, cabinet and storage. Chakra style cabinets with simple paneling or glass doors. Open shelving to display vintage dishware, mason jars, or antique things. Freestanding cabinets like Hoosier cabinets, popular in the 1920s to 1930s. The trays are painted finishes for an aged look. Next, countertops and backglasses. Bathtub block countertops for a farmhouse feel. Retro laminate with patterns like boomerang or checkerboard. Great for the 1950s look. Marble or soapstone countertops for a classic European vintage feel. Somber tiles or floral pattern tiles for the backsplash. Flooring, black and white checkerboard tiles, iconic for the 1950s dinner style. Wood planks for a rustic farmhouse appeal. Linoleum in vintage colors and patterns, often used in mid-century kitchens. Appliances and fixtures, retro-style appliances, pastel refrigerators, stoves, and mixers. Brands like Smeg, Big Chill, or Olympia Stoveworks. Farmhouse sinks, large white porcelain or cast iron sinks, vintage-style pockets, brides or gooseneck pockets in brush or nickel finishes. Vintage accessories and decor, dishware and glassware, like Pyrex bowls, expression glass or milk glass, floral or gingham print plates. Linens and textiles is gingham, lace or floral curtains. Embroidered tea towels and vintage pot holders. Wall decor and signet, tin sign with old-fashioned advertisements like Coca-Cola. Chalkboard menu for a nostalgic cafe feel. Storage and display, messengers for dry goods, vintage-style canisters for flour, sugar, coffee, and tea, or wicker baskets for fresh product. Different vintage kitchen styles. First, 1920s to 1930s farmhouse kitchen, like bathtub block counters, farmhouse sinks, and open shelving. Use creamy white, soft blues, and warm wood tones. Enamelware, rustic cabinets, and cast iron accessories. 1940s to 1950s retro kitchen. Uses pastel-colored appliances and checkerboard floors. Uses bold Taylor-style accents like great bar stools or formica tables. Uses vintage toasters, bread boxes, and colorful Pyrex collections. In 1960s to 1970s, eclectic kitchen, bright oranges, yellows, and avocado green tones. Funky floral wallpaper or mod geometric patterns. Uses mid-century modern furniture with sleek designs. How to incorporate vintage style in a modern kitchen. If you love vintage style but want a modern functional kitchen, here are a few ways to blend both. Number 1. Use vintage-inspired appliances. Many brands make retro-style refrigerators and ovens with modern technology. Number 2. Add antique or repurposed furniture. A vintage hut or hosier cabinet can be a statement piece. Number 3. Mix old and new dishware. Use vintage Pyrex or detonate alongside modern dishes. Install classic lighting fixtures. Schoolhouse pendants or brass sconces fit beautifully. Incorporate vintage textiles. Use gingham, curtains, floral tablecloths, or lace accents. A vintage kitchen is all about nostalgic charm and warmth. Whether you prefer a romantic farmhouse style, a cheerful 1950s dinner look, or an eclectic mid-century design, incorporating vintage elements can make your kitchen feel timeless and inviting. Vintage kitchen decor is a style that brings nostalgia, warmth, and charm into your home. It draws inspiration from kitchen of past decades, typically from the 1920s through the 1970s, combining old-fashioned aesthetics with practical functionality. Whether you are looking for a farmhouse kitchen, a 1950s retro dinner vibe, or a mix of rustic and elegant elements, a vintage kitchen can be both stylish and inviting. Characteristics of a vintage kitchen: cozy and inviting atmosphere. Vintage kitchens often feel warm, homey, and full of personality. Unlike modern minimalist design, they showcase nostalgic elements like open shelves, antique dishware, and colorful accents. Mix of old and new. Many vintage kitchens blend authentic antiques with vintage-inspired modern features to achieve a timeless look without sacrificing modern conveniences. Use handcrafted and repurposed elements. A big part of vintage decor is incorporating restored, repurposed, or handmade items, such as an old wooden hut, upcycled furniture, or self-facade hardware. Use antique or retro cabinet, like Shakara-style cabinets for a timeless look. Use glass front or open shelving to display vintage dishware. Freestanding cupboards or hosier cabinets for an authentic early 19th feel. Strays or painted finishes for rustic touch. Fun to find vintage kitchen decor, antique stores and flea markets. Great for one-of-a-kind finds. Estate sales and thrift shop. Available options for authentic vintage pieces. Online marketplaces. Stay eBay and Facebook Marketplace have vintage and reproduction items. Home decor stores. Some retailers sell vintage inspired pieces if you prefer new items with a retro look. A vintage kitchen is all about celebrating the past while creating a cozy and functional space. Whether you love a quaint farmhouse kitchen, a lively 1950s dinner, or a mid-century modern look, vintage decor can make your kitchen feel welcoming and timeless. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.